Hey! I'm gonna be real honest. This makeover was supposed to be a little bit more intensive and then I got bored with it, so I just kind of moved on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is a bedroom makeover, and this was something that I've wanted to do for a very long time now. Now, I did take an approach of just do like something small every weekend so I wasn't overwhelmed or so I wasn't spending a lot of money at one time. And then like I just prolonged that way too long and should have moved a little bit faster on it because now I'm bored and I want to move on. Without further ado, I'm going to show you the bedroom makeover and walk you through some of the process. So make sure that you stick around for before and after montage. That will be at the end. So here we have the before images, and I'll be honest, looking back at this, because it's been a while, my room did look so bleak and bland. And then, you know, looking at the after that's to come, it is pretty night and day. So I am just showing you kind of how everything looks and how the spaces looked prior, just so you can get a good idea of that full transformation, and also showing a ton of love to my cat, per usual. Honestly, one of the hardest parts of any makeover for me is getting the dang furniture out of the box. I just struggle when I'm doing it alone, as you can see throughout this video. I decided that I wanted to go with a pretty solid mirror. I've always had kind of the cheaper ones that you can get from Walmart, and I wanted to invest in a piece of furniture that was going to last. So I did decide to splurge on it, and it was totally worth it. Everything that I can find, I will link down below, but this mirror in particular is from Urban Outfitters. It's a little pricey, but again, it's an investment piece. Had to take a quick break to look around and also look at a zit on my face. What was beautiful about this piece of furniture, my end table, again, kind of a splurge piece that I really love from Urban Outfitters, was that it was put together and I didn't even have to do anything. Now on to adding some decoration, which is a really fun part, but I did have to move things around to really get the right feel for it. I will say that I did not intend to keep all of these items. I bought them with plans to potentially return something. But once I saw them in the way that I did, when I finally decided to keep things the way they were supposed to be. Anyways, I fell in love with all of them and kept every single piece. Now I wanted to create some custom art, and this started with finding some frames from Goodwill or any local thrift store. I sanded them down to get whatever stain was already previously on them. I do apologize, this angle is not the best. Then I cleaned them up with a wet paper towel. I'm sure that there are easier ways, but I'll be honest, this is the first time that I've truly sanded something before. Then I went in with the stain that I chose. I don't really know if this stain was any different than some of the other ones, but you know, it is what it is. And at the end of the day, I like how they looked. On to creating some custom pieces. I'm not showing you every single one of them, but I did take some inspiration from Pinterest, but not something blatantly from it, because I didn't want to steal somebody's art that I could have just purchased. But I did kind of just play around with this, and honestly, it was super fun. That sounded cheesy. Oh my god. Cue the before and after montage. Da da da!
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.
Okay, that was it. Did you like it? Yeah. I found this off of Amazon, and it's an extension cord, but it's like an outlet cover. And I just thought I would share that with you because this is genius for freaks like me, and maybe you relate. So, like $25, it's great. All right, guys, now that was everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so that subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Here's your weekly reminder to take a deep breath. Follow me on all of my social medias. They're linked down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Some days I feel skinny.